Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm looking at the sync function. Let's get started. The sync function or the sync can be seen under the modulation block in any of the modulation effects from chorus to the flanger to the trem jets. That's a mix of flanger and then tremolo, and the vibrato, and a whole lot of, so basically you see it a lot under the modulation block and also in the delay block as well. So look at the time. You realize once I hit the sync, it changes the time to quarter notes. So the 1/4/4 means quarter notes. So when I move it forward, this dotted quarter notes, this quarter notes triplets, and then we have the 8 notes, dotted 8. We have the dotted, we have the 8 notes triplets. We have the 16th notes. Yeah, I think it ends over there on this board. And then, so you can have one by one. You can also have half notes, this dotted half notes, this half notes triplets. So when you hear the sync, it is working with this and that under the delay block. So it's always under the time, or if you are in the modulation block, it is between the rate and the tempo, which is this. I don't think the reverbs have sync function. And let's see. Yeah. Okay, so a step filter also has a sync function over here. So look at the rate. Immediately I hit the sync, it goes to quarter notes. So just like I demonstrated over there, the parameters over here are the same. So the parameters here are also the same. So without it, you go into the time base, so it calculates mathematically. So you can either take your time and do the calculation. This is the formula for it, and you can play around with it to get the desired calculations or effects that you desire. This goes all the way to 4,000 milliseconds, which is 4 seconds. Let's see how that sounds. It sounds interesting. So basically, the sync function just allows you to switch between normal time and then music notation time. I think that is the best way I can put it. This is how it sounds like with the dotted notes. So basically, that's what a sync function does, switching between normal time and music notation time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time.